Hello, everyone. My name is Reginald Ramirez. Today, I'd like to talk about a topic that is very close to my heart, which is why it is important to learn a second language. Let me begin with a simple truth. Language is more than just words. It is a bridge to understanding people, cultures, and opportunities. In our increasingly globalized world, being able to speak more than one language is no longer just an advantage. It is becoming a necessity. First, learning a second language opens doors professionally. Whether you're working in law, healthcare, education, or business, being bilingual or multilingual makes you more competitive in the job market. Employers value people who can communicate with diverse clients, translate documents, or navigate multicultural environments. In Canada, for example, knowing both English and French can be a major asset in public service or legal settings. Second, learning another language deepens your cultural awareness. It allows you to connect with people from different backgrounds, understand their values, and appreciate their stories. It breaks down stereotypes and builds empathy.
Wow.
When you speak someone's language, you're not just translating words, you're showing respect for their identity. Third, learning a second language boosts your brain power. Studies show that bilingual individuals have better memory, problem solving skills, and even delayed cognitive aging. It's like a workout for your brain. It sounds challenging, doesn't it? But it is incredibly rewarding. Personally, as someone who speaks multiple languages, I have seen how language can empower, educate, and unite. It has helped me support newcomers, create educational content, and celebrate my cultural heritage. And I believe that every new language we learn is a new lens through which we can see the world. In conclusion, learning a second language is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about connection, opportunities, and growth.
Wow!
Whether you're learning for work, travel, or personal enrichment, it is a gift that keeps giving. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking in more than one language. Goodbye.